everybody. Can you see that? It's 60 degrees. Can you see that? Yay! Hi everybody, it's 60 degrees. It's Monday, February the 3rd. So for it to be February the 3rd and 60 degrees, we will take it. Yay, look at that, 60 degrees. I'm so excited. And I have a kind of a little jacket vest on. I have a little jacket vest on, but it's I'm not wearing a coat and I'm not wearing a stocking cap, so big improvements in the weather, and I don't think it's gonna last very long because after all it's February and we have had some Valentine's Day snows so I don't want to be overly cautious. I don't want to be overly excited is what I'm trying to say. I don't want to be overly excited about this beautiful 60-degree day! Yay! Stephen, I'm about to head out, so I will not be here. So on this beautiful Monday, please tell us, are those called brake shoes? Is that what that is? Am I actually learning something here?
I don't know, are you?
I think those are brake shoes, aren't they?
Yeah.
So I actually learned that. I didn't know beforehand that those were brake shoes.
Brake shoes.
Brake shoes. Oh, the wind is blowing, y'all. Look at that. When the ice storm came, now those were some branches I wish that they would have got. They got some other branches, but those are some awfully low-hanging branches, and I never have liked those, and I wish that Stephen would get a ladder and his chainsaw and get those. Let me show you how low they are. But you can definitely see the wind blowing. All right, so what are your big plans for the day? Y'all can see where he got stuck in the mud the other day. Look at that layer. Look at this huge layer of mud on the wheels.
Oh. Couldn't figure out what was going on. I remember. Had to turn that brake cam in order to get
So you're going to be working on the sensor today, right? You had to go this morning. Stephen was in Calvert City this morning at 7 o'clock. It's about 12:30 p.m. It's about 12:30 p.m. I have to be somewhere in like 15-20 minutes. But Stephen was out in Calvert City, Kentucky this morning buying a part. And you were right there when the door opened. So you're going to be working on, once again, fixing the sensor today. Is that what you're going to be doing?
Yeah, I'd put a new, when I was over here playing around with it, trying to get it unstuck, I lifted it up and somebody put a zip tie a little too tight and pulled the cable apart. So then that led to me having to take all this apart. And then when I got in there to get the sensor out, that housing was welded together by salt, so I ended up breaking the housing, so I had to go get a new housing.
So he went to Calvert City, which is about, what, maybe an hour away, right?
Yeah, Friday.
Friday he went to Calvert City, an hour away, and this morning he went to Calvert City, an hour away.
That's where the Tag Freightliner Center is.
Tag Freightliner. This is the old one, right? Is this the old worn out one?
That's the broken one, yeah.
So this is what you are replacing. He bought a 13. It was only 13. Well, I say only. It was probably the cheapest thing you've ever bought for the truck. How was it only?
These were like $3.
So you got those on Friday, and then you had to go back this morning.
Let's see, the sensor is welded in there from the
Oh,
salt.
here. All right, hold on. Show that.
I beat on that with an 8-pound
Wait,
sledgehammer.
Look at that, you all.
I beat on it with an 8-pound sledgehammer.
Hold it still and take a picture of it. Hold
out.
on, hold it. Take a
I
picture.
beat on it. It ain't coming out of there, so.
Oh, wow.
But so it ended up just snapping in two.
Wow. And that's something. And
Wow.
but where's your where's
Oh,
the
now, brown cow.
okay? Where's the all right? Where's the new piece like this?
It's installed.
Oh, you've already put it in.
No, I was waiting around for the moon to come up.
Oh, okay. So you've already put it in. Well, see, I didn't get out here to see that. All right, so that's the old
It's
one.
right there, see it? That's it, right there.
Oh, okay.
All shiny and brand new.
Yeah, look at that compared to
And
this.
it was just fine until I got stuck. Started lifting up.
All right, well, y'all, I have to leave, so I guess I'll let Steven do his business. So, Steven, you enjoy this beautiful sunshiny day. This beautiful sunshiny day. And look, it's so shiny I could take my hand and wave at everybody with my shadow. So my shadow is saying goodbye. Yay! All right, Steven, tell me who you are. You're Big Billy.
I'm gonna get a black eye if I don't get out of the way.
Well, that's Big Billy. And I'm Bumbles. And together we are Big Belly Bumbles. Yay!